Here are the best practices for managing apps in Zoho One. Managing apps in Zoho One has never been this simple with the universal sidebar. You can now pin your favorite apps, view recently used apps, and group applications however you like. Here's a quick look at these new ways to manage your apps in Zoho One. Pin your favorite and recently used apps in the pinned app section. This way you can access and switch between them effortlessly and quickly manage your favorite apps even more effectively by grouping them. Let's say you're a sales manager and you have access to cross-functional application. You can easily group them by categorizing them under sales productivity, collaboration, and even more. Alternatively, you can create personalized application groups like customer communication, where you can add apps like CRM, Desk, Assist, and Lens. Here is a pro tip. A Zoho One admin can create multiple application groups across the entire organization. Check out our Zoho playlist for more Zoho help and subscribe to the channel, like the video for more Zoho tips.